Okay, we lost that as well. Okay. So it is said that the reason why we cannot forget the story of Eri, the said father of Igbos. Okay, let's see. Hello? 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 Oh, wow. We lost that. Hello? Okay. Remember that the numbers to call again. I know network is a bit tricky right now, but remember that the numbers to call to become part of this thing. We are all Igbos. If you do not like this is an opportunity for you to show really that you are grounded when it comes to the culture, the heritage we have as Igbo people. All time or like Olugombe, Ayeji, Gosiputonwa, really, Naima Ndaibo, Naima Baisi, really, If some of these facts that I'm presenting right now does not augur well with that, you can as well call in to correct some of the impression if you think we are not saying it right. But basically, this research is like top notch. We know that. So the numbers to call again are 080-9444-1035 or 080-9666-1035. Let's get this. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Good evening.
Hello?
Hello, good evening. Hello? Oh, wow. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, good evening. Please move away from your radio set. Okay, you've done that. Please move away from your radio. Move away from your radio. Your name and your location, sir. Biko pone nebe radio gino o biko nunu o pone nebe radio gino. Odigo maketa kera afa gi. Wow. Please call back, Obolotata na akpa ihe dị mkpa gbasara anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo, or ife dị mkpa ka ọ bụ. When we talk about Igbo people are peculiar people. So whenever we are talking about anything that concerns the Igbo people, is an important thing, it's an important day. So remember that the numbers to call again are 080-9444-1035 or 080-9666-1035. What are those similarities, our Igbo culture, our heritage shares with that of like what is being practiced in Christendom and Judaism? What are those similarities? This is very important, So as I was saying, as I await your input, which is very much important. A lot of school of thought, forget, do not want to recognize Ewi as the father of the Igbo people. I've come in contact with someone who told me that no, the people are not really part of this thing. He told me, see, we have our own history. We came from Agolo, and that's the civilization forced us down to this area and all that. So, and I was trying to explain to him in some areas, So, with those kind of, I would also like to hear from those school of thoughts who do not accept the fact that Ewi is the father. According to what we are told, is the father of the Igbo people, basically. But another thing is those culture, those things we practice, the similarities with Judaism, with Christianity. Igbo be Igbo, you know, this is an opportunity. Igbo be Igbo, we need to use this opportunity to spell it out the way it is. Oboni Igbo no. Igbo will not, Igbo shouldn't, you know, rest on this one. We should stop this network till we discuss this, basically. So based on research, you know, Eri is the father of Nri, you know. So what else do you think is the similarities between our Igbo tradition and the Judaism, Christianity like practice? Kedifa, you know, aneme na Igbo tradition yitelo ife aneme na Christianity mobu Judaism. I have given you one example, and that example is circumcision is one example. And circumcision, ibe ubu, aine ebe bubu, bobo, you know, even before Kabia. So what are all those things? Make mention of them and remember that the numbers to call again are 080-9444-1035 for more, 080-9666-1035. You know, at this point, let's not forget the network should not be enough challenge for us to forget Ebaisi, who we are, really.